I've got a Champion 3000 watt 4000 starting generator, which I'm having trouble getting started. I've emptied the gas and refilled it with some fresh premium fuel. Turn it on. We turn the fuel on. Turn the choke on. And I've also changed the spark plug with a brand new spark plug and reconnected that. And I go for a pull. And then that's all I get. If I pull again, it won't even do what it just did. If I leave it for 5 or 6 minutes on the first pull, it'll sputter like it did there for a second. I'm not sure what to look at next now. New fuel, new spark plug, new gas, not sure. If anybody out there can give me help on what I could maybe try next would be great. Thanks.